Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Chevrolet Cruze and Sail. The Cruze typically positioned itself as a more upscale compact car, offering a blend of style and performance. In contrast, the Sail was often marketed as an economical subcompact, prioritizing practicality and value. Understanding these core differences is key to appreciating their distinct roles in the automotive market. When it comes to performance, the Cruze often boasted more robust engine choices, including powerful turbocharged variants. The Sail, however, usually came equipped with smaller, naturally aspirated engines, designed for fuel efficiency over raw power. This meant the Cruze typically delivered a more dynamic driving experience with greater horsepower and torque. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. On another note, staying hydrated is super important, whether you're driving or just at home. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold and accessible. Check the description for a link to grab yours and discover other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Cruze generally presented a more refined cabin with higher quality materials and advanced technological features. The Sail's interior, while practical and spacious for its class, tended to be more basic, focusing on essential functionality. The Cruze often provided a greater array of comfort and convenience features for its occupants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.